officially in Nebraska. We are about 3.5 hours away from our destination. Weather's not being our friend right now. There's some mass flooding back home, and it's about 40 degrees right now. It's supposed to get up to 60 today, which is nice, but where we're going to be headed, it's actually expecting 2 to 3 inches of snow tomorrow, with a high in the low 30s. And so we're hoping we should get there around lunchtime. We'll get unpacked and start scouting for some birds. We might be able to get on some tonight. See if we can't get ahead of this weather. So we shall see.
I can't frickin' believe we just did that. Yes! 5 hours in Nebraska. Yes.
So I don't know how to put what just happened into words, but we've been hunting in Nebraska for a half hour and already got a bird down. We've spent more time celebrating than we have actually hunting. So we were just cruising on some of these back roads looking at these different pieces of public ground and happened to spot a group of birds, a couple strutters, and didn't have time to do really anything. We pulled off the side of the road, grabbed the gear and took off after them, and literally within 20 minutes we were set up and happened to call one in for Zach, and you guys seen the rest. But right now we're cruising some more roads and checking some public ground and glassing some of these fields and see if we can't spot some more birds. We've got about another good hour and a half of light before they start to pitch up in the tree, but we'll see if we can get on our group and maybe we can get 2 down in the first day.